Okay, so if you're interested in traditional Balinese food, we're here at a restaurant. It's called Tuniang, Bali. It's only like 9 o'clock in the morning. It's really busy. This is the name of it, Tuniang, Bali. So we'll go in and we'll check it out. It's more or less just traditional Balinese food. It's really busy, which is surprising. So basically this is what it is. It's like Balinese food, but it's like a nasi campur. You can pick what you want. There's just numerous, it's a bit hard to see with the glass, but there's numerous dishes you can pick from. And just check out how many staff are in there. So it's really busy. So we'll try and find a seat. Seems pretty full. Is it Lavada? Yeah. So it's like I said, it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. It is really busy, so it's a very popular place. So there's also a room down the back with air conditioning. It's like air conditioned room. You can sit and eat. It's really nice. Another room, air conditioning. It's a really nice yards here. Little temple. Alright, so we'll see if we can get a table and sit down. Alright, so we've got a table right at the front. Looks like these ones are reserved. And yeah. Hello. Malo, yeah?
Malo.
She's a little bit shy, our waitress. Alright, so this is basically the menu. It's all authentic Balinese food. Nasi ayam complete. Kasumba, Gianya, there's different styles from around Bali you can find here. I'm looking for ayam patutu if they've got it. I don't think they've got patutu, have they?
Yeah.
Oh, there's more on the back as well. You've got rujak. Yeah, and juices and that. So it must be very popular because it's really full. And very surprising it's full so early. We thought we'd come in early, so it wouldn't be so full. So yeah, anyway, so what are you going to pick? Okay, so I'm going to get ayam patutu and Yuli's going to get, I don't know, what are you going to get?
Sifat Tuniang, kuah Tuniang satu ya. Oh, so nice tea.
Yes, es teh.
Es teh tawar.
Tawar.
Udah, itu aja.
Ya.
Saya repeat ordernya. 1 es teh tawar, 1 es teh leci, less ice, 2 nasi sila yang spesial.
Okay, so you know if there's this many locals in one place, especially this early, that it's got to be really good. And yeah, from the reviews we've seen, it's a very good restaurant. It's very cheap. So you can just see how many staff they've got in here. There's probably 20 staff working in here. Look at it. It's very well priced. Like everything on the menu is like $35,000, about $3.50, you know. So it's very cheap, really, very cheap. The drinks are cheap, and the drinks, everything on this side is only maximum $25, $2.50 for rujak, spring rolls and things like that. So it's very cheap. So it really is a nice area, sort of Balinese style gardens and the hanging coconut plants, and that's very nice. Got the little fish pond with the fish. Got a bunch of the little goldfish in there. What are you laughing at, darling? Yili's laughing at me because I can really only eat rice and that with my hands. I've just been doing it for that many years. I can't really do it with a spoon or a fork and all that, so I'm going to have a go because I'm going to look a bit old. I'll be the only one eating with my hands in here. So, thank you. So what did you get me, Yili?
Nasi sela special, which is betutu and all that mix.
So this is basically what it is. Get the satay, get some chicken, some bean sprouts, lawar, a little bit of ayam betutu. So this looks like a bit of crispy chicken skin. Chicken skin, if you haven't had it, fried chicken skin, it's really good. Crunchy, really nice. And this would be like a chicken skewer, like a chicken satay. It's more or less minced up chicken and all that, compressed onto a stick and cooked. Looks pretty spicy. There's a lot of chilli in it, with the white rice, some egg, and this is a bit of ayam betutu. Huh? So a little bit of this chili, a little bit of chicken, a bit of the satay. Well, that's got a kick though. It's really, really hot. Sambal, which I don't mind. Okay, so this is the owner over here, the lady, and they're filthy rich. They own their own bank, urban bank. They've also got skincare places all over the place. They own the helicopter rides in Bali, and yeah, so they're quite wealthy family. And it's really good. It's very cheap food, so she gives you a good deal. So she come up and asked me before whether I can handle it so spicy, but after you've been here for a while, like, you eat chilli with everything, so it just doesn't taste right without chilli after a while, so I'm quite used to it. I sort of like more spicy than what Yuli does, really. Yeah. Right, that was really good. I smashed every last little bit of that. So this is really, really is a good little place. It's a great atmosphere in here. Everyone's happy and having a good time. It's cheap food. It's authentic Balinese style. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description of this place. It's well worth coming into Denpasar and checking it out. It's in Renon. So you can also order this on the Grab app, and go check and grab food apps. And the owner was telling us they do about 1,000 orders a day just by Grab food. So it's very, very busy. And that sort of explains why they've got about 30 staff there in the kitchen. They do so many Grab orders, and this place is just full all the time. As there's people leaving, there's new people coming in all the time. So make sure you come into Denpasar, check it out. It really, really is worth a look. Okay, so Yuli wants to get a photo with the owner. And let's get a photo of her. Photo. Very beautiful. Okay, thank you. It's very nice. Thank you. All right, so we'll go over and pay over here. I'll just pay with scan pay. Well, just to show you how busy it is, look at the cars in here. It's just absolutely full, this place. And it's like, now it's only 9:30 in the morning. Oops. So it's really, really worth it, I suppose, because of the price. It's so damn cheap. That was like 110,000, like $11 for that. 2 meals and a drink. So just look how many bikes are in here. So yeah, it's really worth coming and checking out.